Oh my goodness, look at these adorable magical mischief makers. Aren't they just the cutest? Today, we're turning these playful little characters into the most sparkly, eye-catching coasters you've ever seen. If you've been looking for a fun way to add some whimsy to your coffee table or a perfect gift for that fantasy-loving friend, you're in for a treat. These rainbow glitter coasters with these adorable inlays are about to bring some serious magic to your crafting game. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new here, my name is Connie, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're diving into some seriously magical fun with these adorable magical mischief makers inlays and this super versatile coaster mold. I am so excited to show you how we can transform these cute little characters into functional art that'll make you smile every time you set down your coffee mug. I don't know about you, but I think crafting should bring joy, and these little mischief makers with all this rainbow glitter are pure happiness in resin form. Whether you're a beginner or you've been playing with resin for years, this project is totally doable and completely customizable to your own style. I'll walk you through every step of the process, from preparing our molds, applying color to our inlays, right up to that magical moment when we pop these beauties out. So grab your gloves, mix up your resin, and let's create something that'll make everyone who visits your home ask, "Where did you get those amazing coasters?" All right, let's get these adorable little characters all dressed up in their vibrant colors. First up, we have this cute little elephant. I'm adding this bright fluorescent pink to her body, and look at that adorable orange dress she's wearing. The colors just pop against each other so beautifully. Next, we've got this mischievous bunny holding his little carrot. I'm keeping him a classic white, but check out those purple overalls. Aren't they just the cutest? The contrast between the white fur and purple clothes is going to look amazing in our finished coasters. Ooh, and here's our little purple blob friend with those adorable pigtails. I'm making sure to get a really rich purple color on the body and then adding this sunshine bright yellow to the star she's holding. The combination is just so playful and fun. And last, but definitely not least, our cool blue blob on his skateboard. I love how the fluorescent blue makes him look like he's zooming right off the coaster. Such a little daredevil. These fluorescent colors are going to look absolutely magical. Against all that rainbow glitter we'll be adding, I can already tell these are going to be conversation starters whenever anyone visits. Each character has so much personality. It's impossible not to smile when you look at them, don't you think? I handcraft all these inlays using premium silicone rubber with a 15A hardness, offering perfect flexibility for your projects. They're designed to be incredibly versatile. Customize them with mica powders, glitters, holographic powders, and more to create unique touches in any resin creation. You'll find my full collection of inlays in my eBay store. The link is in the description below. Exciting news, everyone. My videos will now be released every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m. Plus, I'm thrilled to announce that I'm offering free shipping for both USA and international orders through my eBay store. Don't miss out. Oops. So I realized I somehow didn't capture the footage of me adding all that gorgeous rainbow glitter around our colorful characters. Total crafting blooper moment. Sorry about that, friends. But you can see the beautiful, sparkly rainbow glitter is already in place surrounding our cute little mischief makers. But no worries, the resin magic continues. Now comes one of my favorite parts, pouring that crystal clear resin with crushed crystal over the top to seal everything in. Watch how it just flows over our characters and that rainbow glitter, creating this gorgeous light-catching effect. Oh, and here's a real-life crafting moment for you. I only mixed enough resin to fill 3 of my coasters. Don't you just love when that happens? Crafting isn't always perfect, and that's totally okay. We're just going with the flow here at Happy Place Creations. So while my first 3 coasters are getting their beautiful clear tops, I'm quickly mixing up another batch of resin with crushed crystal for our skateboarding blob friend. This actually happens to me more often than I'd like to admit. Always better to mix a little extra than not enough, but hey, we're problem solvers, right? The good news is, once they're all cured, you won't be able to tell which one got its resin bath a little later than the others. And honestly, this is the reality of crafting. Sometimes you have to adjust on the fly. The end result is still going to be these amazing, sparkly coasters that will brighten up anyone's coffee table. All right, friends, it's the moment of truth, demoulding time. This is always equal parts nerve-wracking and exciting, isn't it? Let's see what we've got here. Oh, looks like we had a bit of runoff around the edges, totally normal. This happens to even the most experienced resin crafters. For this cleanup job, I'm using my specialized resin trimming toolkit, a pair of small craft scissors for the larger excess pieces, my trusty cuticle cutters for those more precise areas, and these amazing tiny curved scissors that are absolute lifesavers for getting into those tricky curved edges. After trimming away the excess and smoothing everything out with my emery board, I'm turning these babies over to reveal those perfect impressions our mischief makers left behind. But here's where I'm adding my special touch. I'm filling those impressions with white casting resin. This brilliant white resin creates such a clean, crisp background that makes it look like our colorful characters are still in there. The white casting resin is my secret weapon here. It creates this perfect illusion that the inlays were never removed at all. It's such a clean look and really makes those impressions pop against all that sparkly rainbow glitter and crushed crystal in the clear resin. Plus, it ensures we have a completely flat bottom surface for our coasters. I'm carefully filling each impression, making sure to get into all those tiny details. The elephant's trunk, the bunny's carrot, those adorable pigtails on our blob friend, and even the skateboard wheels. The white resin picks up every little detail so beautifully. We're getting so close to the big reveal. I can already see how amazing these are going to look once we flip them over again. The anticipation is killing me, but I promise the wait will be worth it. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my subscribers and warmly welcome those who are new to the channel. I'm dedicated to creating interesting and entertaining content, from resin art projects to crafting tutorials. Your support fuels this journey, and I couldn't do it without you. If you're enjoying the content but haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. Your subscription greatly supports my efforts. Liking the videos also helps signal to YouTube that the content is valuable, allowing it to reach a wider audience. Feel free to leave comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Thank you immensely for your support. It truly means the world to me. Thanks for being here with me today. It truly makes a difference. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing community and stay updated on all the latest content. Can't wait to share more amazing videos with you. See you in the next one. And there we have it, friends. Our finished project. Aren't they just absolutely gorgeous? Look at how the light catches all that crushed crystal in the clear resin top. And those vibrant characters with their mischievous little faces look like they're floating in this magical, sparkly world. The white resin on the bottom creates such a clean, professional finish. You'd never know we removed the inlays. And the rainbow glitter surrounding each character just makes them pop in the most delightful way. Please tell me in the comments what you think of these coasters. I'm absolutely in love with how they turned out. Before I list them in my eBay store, I'll be adding some cork backing to make them completely functional and protect your furniture. They do need to sit a little while longer to fully cure. We want to make sure they're perfect before they find their forever homes. Be sure to keep an eye out for them in my store. I'll post an update when they're listed. And thank you so much for joining me today on this crafting adventure. I had so much fun with you all. From mixing those vibrant colors to adding that crushed crystal to our clear resin, even our little mishap with not mixing enough resin the first time. That's the beauty of crafting, embracing the journey, imperfections, and all. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this resin coaster tutorial. Happy crafting, friends!